Hello, today I want to show you how you can change the layout of DIVI header. By default you have something like this, but what if you want to add some button here, for example? So there is an easy way what you should do. First thing, you should log in into your WordPress dashboard, find the DIVI menu item, and click Theme Builder submenu, just like this. Great. You will see similar table. I'm pretty sure it will be exactly like this. You should click Add Global Header tab. This is for header. And footer for footer. Understand? Just click Build Global Header or Add from Library. In my case, we will do it custom. So build global header. It's loading, so let's wait for a while. Cool. We have just default DIVI page builder. Now we can do what you want. Let's add some row like this, for example. Here let's add some image like logo with a URL to the home page. Design, alignment center, sizing max width like this. Right, looks like logo. Let's make it left aligned. So here let's add some menu. Just menu. You can add it here in design tab, just like DIVI theme customization. You can change here everything you want for these now items. So let's make it centered. Great. And here we can add button. Button. Some URL. The same you can change design as you want. Let's make it centered vertically. Cool. And let's remove this weird spacing. Great. I don't really like this many items. Let's make it more, looks better. Like font weight, semi-bold. Yeah. And color of button looks weird too. So let's use some custom. Let's use orange, just for example. Font size something, and alignment should be right. Let's make 10. Great. So we created our header, just something, for example. Click Save. Very important note. After that, you should close it and click Save here. Great. Let's see how it works. Open it in new tab. Cool. We see our new header. It will work for all pages. Let's check some other page. You see, it will work globally or for whole your website. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Subscribe and have a good day. Bye.